Pick up that pack. Oh, me everywhere, really. Really?
This that shit you need. This that Fiji, this the sunny, this that Aquafina. Yeah, this that. They see me dripping
This ain't
off
for
the
you.
lot,
This from
that
the
bitch
Brush
was wet like
King.
water. Them diamonds blind you off the spot. That shit was
Shout out
wet
to
like
OG
water.
Glenn.
She asked me, do I like my options? I said, kinda, sorta. Then that stuff she could spend the night, cause she was wet like water. This that shit
It's gonna break my
you
heart
need.
if I open it in here.
Fiji, this the sunny, this that Aquafina.
Bro, what the fuck?
This that shit you need. This that Fiji,
What the fuck?
yeah, this that. Wet like water. Drip like water. Wet like drip like wet like water. Wet like water. Drip like water. Wet like drip like wet like water. Okay, let's run this shit the fuck up. Shout out to Fredo, what's up? See, first you cut the middle man out, then you run your bus up. When they see that R in that IA, then they gon' know what's up drippin'. Might catch me in Texas sippin'. Please proceed with caution, lemon wet like water. Just like Curry from the line, baby, wet like water. Look what just came. I thought I got finesse today, but the UPS lady brought it. We got the We got the Torino Pro. I think it's the 0646. About to open this up. Oh my God. The packaging. This is nice. Torino Pro Brush King. It says Brush King guarantee. Brush King will never sacrifice quality in the name of profit. There will be no corners cut ever. This I promise you. Bro, I'm gonna keep this box. Medium hard. Thought I got finessed by the mailman. Alright, we finally got this open. Oh my God. Bro, the gloss on this. What? This is beautiful. The bristles. Oh my God, bro. Look at these bristles, bro. We got the 9-row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bro, this is beautiful. Y'all already know I'm about to go in with this. So the brush is in. About to get a few strokes in with her. See what she like. Medium hard brush. I've definitely been needing a medium. Gotta break her in though. You definitely don't want to use this if you ain't got no hair on your head. Definitely gonna break that fork with this. Back finna fall into submission. I gotta break her in. We ain't gonna get a full session in right now with that. I just wanted to get a few strokes in and see what she was like. She is definitely about to put me in the game. About to break some serious forks, so Y'all stay tuned. That is the that's the Torino Pro 0646. brushking.org or Amazon. We got more videos coming soon with this. We got a lot more videos coming soon with this. So y'all stay locked. It's the Torino 0646. Go copy one if you need you a heavy woofing brush. We gonna see what this do after I break it in. Stay tuned, man. Subscribe. Don't forget, join Seasick Waves on Facebook. We got the giveaway coming up. I'm giving away 3 Conair brushes. Giving away 3 of these. Or a few of these. So you never know, might be some more things I'm giving out. Make sure you subscribe to the page. You gotta be subscribed to the YouTube channel to even win. Join Seasick Waves on Facebook. Let's run it up. Let's get it, man. I'm so excited about this brush. I'm about to get it in. Y'all already know. Subscribe. Do what you gotta do. And I'm so committed, man.